Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating essentials: a 4G-enabled SIM, an active carrier plan, and a device that supports the carrier's LTE bands. Once confirmed, you back up current APN and network settings so you can revert if needed. Make sure the phone's OS and carrier updates are installed. These often unlock required bands and stability fixes. Then, switch the device network mode to LTE/4G and restart the phone so the new configuration initializes before moving to deeper configuration. Now you configure APN settings precisely. A single typo can block internet. Input the carrier's APN values, MMSC, and authentication type, then save and select the new profile. After that, lock or prioritize the correct LTE bands in the phone service or engineering menu when available, because band mismatches reduce signal and throughput. Also enable VO LTE if offered. It keeps calls on 4G. Once done, test by browsing and running a speed test to confirm LTE registration and expected performance. To finish, verify stability with repeated speed tests and by monitoring the LTE/4G icon under varying locations and device loads. If you don't see 4G, power cycle the device, reinsert the SIM, and reset APN to defaults. Then reapply the correct profile. Also try the SIM in a known working 4G phone to isolate hardware. If problems remain, contact carrier support with your SIM ID and device band capabilities. Keep a documented copy of the working APN and settings so you can restore them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.